it's been soaked, first before washing. I'm going to pick away the smaller one flying on top, and after 2 days I added sorghum because that's how we do it, when we are using two different sizes. So smaller grains usually are soaked for 24 hours, then bigger ones for like corn, which is big, for 3 days. So now after 3 days, I am washing this grain. I will wash it. I will change the water 3 to 4 times. Then underneath, if there are any sandy particle, I would hold them away. So it's now going through the last stage of the cleaning. So I will pack it into a bigger bucket, just like you see the other bucket is smaller. Now this is Fennel. It just to give it an aroma. In our place we add the spices, so it has aromatic flavors, and I put a little bit of black pepper. Sometimes we put on the red pepper, like dry cayenne pepper. To be honest, we put them in. It's funny how we do cook our own pap. We make a pap. Then it was taken to the professional grinder. The professional grinder it. So now it's going through mixing. So I'm going to add a little bit of water so that the consistency will be a little bit watery. Then this is a chiffon cloth. Some use organza cloth. We use it for filtering so that we give it a fine filtrate. And so I'm going to do the filtering alone. I will be raising my hands, one up, one down quickly. That's how we do it. And after doing multiple times and adding more water into the content of the chiffon cloth I did. Then I squeeze the water excess, and the one inside is called chaff. So this chaff can be used to feed animals, for those that have animals around. If you don't have animals, you can put it in a compost, and if you don't have one, you throw it away. So this is the filtrate I have. After 1 hour, I am draining away the water again. So this water bucket now will be added into one bucket because the paste is getting thicker, just like you see underneath this. It's getting thicker. So this one will be left for 2 hours. Then I am going to drain the water, and this is the way I'm draining the water. I'll drain the water, and after some seconds now, you are going to see underneath the water is the paste is becoming thicker and thicker, and I am going to pour the thick paste into another cloth. Actually, a pillowcase. When you sterilize a pillowcase, it can be used for that purpose. So like you see, this 2 bucket has turned to like less than half of a bucket. Look at it. This is it, the clothes. And now the paste is poured into the thicker pillowcase, sterilized pillowcase. Then I will do that. When I pour everything, the content of the bucket into that, I'll leave it in the sink for sometimes again after 3 hours or so. I'll be squeezing. I'll come back after an hour and tighten the clothes. And this is the paste that I have. I have the paste. This paste, some of it can be stored in the freezer for like 3 months or even more. It depends on how you consume it. So I have this very one that I left in the bowl. I am going to still keep it in the fridge. That's when we'll be scooping, and we'll be taking a little if you want to make the pap. This is it in the fridge. Then the other one that I tied, I put it in the freezer. Bye. Thank you for watching.